Good morning, class. Myself Pooja Kushwaha, and I am your science teacher. Let's start our today's video and the second last video of this chapter, means lesson second, that is components of food. Okay, and today we will solve the exercises. Students, you do not need to write anything in the fair copy until it is asked by me. Okay, if you want to write and practice, you can write it, but in rough copy only. Okay, don't ask this question again and again after watching this video. Okay, bacha. Okay, let's start. Your today's video is about the exercises, but I have given a homework to you all on yesterday. That is, what is energy and what is the answer? Answer is the energy is the ability to do work, or you can say, if you are able to do anything, it means you are having energy. Okay, I think it is easy to understand. Let's solve the exercises. First one is the name major nutrients in our food. I am not writing the questions are in the book, but I am repeating 2 times, so if you want to write, you can write it after watching this video or during the video. Name major nutrients in our food. This is the first question, and your answer will be, what will be your answer? The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, food also contains water and dietary fibers. Remember, I told you to learn these nutrients: fat, protein, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals, water and dietary fiber. It is very easy way to remember anything. Okay, let's move on to the next question. That is, name the following. Means I'm telling you the hints and you have to recognize the which nutrients they are having. Okay, the nutrient which mainly give energy to our body, means energy giving food. What will be the answer? Yes, absolutely right. First, it will be carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats. Next, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Yes, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Think. Yes, right. It's proteins and minerals. Okay, next one, a vitamin required for maintaining eyesight, means that is important for maintaining our good eyesight or our vision or ability to see. Yes, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight is vitamin A, absolutely right. Next one, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. It might be so confusing, but not much. Yes, it is found in our teeth also. Yes, your guess is right. It is calcium. Calcium is the answer. Okay, we have done it. Now the move on the next. That is, name two foods rich in. Means you have to write two foods that is rich in some nutrient that I am telling you further. First one is the fat. Means we have to write two fat rich food. What it will be? Right, butter and ghee. Butter is so delicious, no? But don't eat too much of butter. You can be obese. Okay. Next one is the starch. Starch is found mainly in rice and potatoes, or you can say rice and potato is the good source of starch. Next is dietary fibers. And the answer is fruits and vegetable, you can say, but we have to write two foods names, so here it is, oranges and spinach. And the fourth one is protein. So answer is soya bean. You can write any pulses here, and meat. Non-veg is also a good source of protein. Done. Okay, the next one, that is, tick the statement that are correct. Means we have to tick on the correct statements. I'm not going to write the statements, I'm just telling you. Please listen it very carefully and then tell me whether it is right or wrong. Okay. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. Yes, you are right. It is false, means cross. It is false. Means because by eating only rice we cannot fulfill our needs. Okay. Second one is the deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Yes, absolutely true. It is correct. Next one is the balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food item. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food item. Yes, it is also right. When we get variety in our food item, that we fulfill our need about the nutrients. Next, meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. Wrong. Only one nutrient cannot be sufficient for our body, same as only one food cannot provide us all the nutrients. Okay. Next one is a fill in the blanks. And fill in the blanks, first one is the dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Answer? Yes, it is rickets. Okay. In rickets, your bones becomes weaker. Next is deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Answer is vitamin, yes, B1. B for beriberi and B1 for this deficiency. Third one is deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as, answer is scurvy. It is a skin disease, mainly scurvy. Scurvy is the answer. SQRV. Sorry, it's SCURVY. Scurvy. Next and the last and very easy, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash vitamin in our food. What will be the answer? Yes, you all are right. It is vitamin A. Correct. You can take the screenshot of the answers for your future use also. You can take it. Okay. Students, tomorrow we will discuss about the keywords. So your homework is to find out some keywords like proteins, fats and balanced diet. Means you have to find out the definitions of these keywords. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, students.